Hello, welcome to my Sunday Frump. Today I have a tiny haul and I just wanted to open these packages and show you what I got. So I have this package. And these are my belly wraps that I use. If you guys ever see my belly wraps, these are my belly wraps that I use. There are other belly wraps that I like. I like another brand that sells, they sell belly wraps that have like seaweed or something in them. Those work really good, but those like also cause actual fat loss. They're not like just spot treatment. So and they cost a lot more, so I rarely get those. This is just a table runner. Now I'm working on a costume. I won't tell you what it is, but this is gonna be part of the costume. And maybe I'll show you guys when I'm done my costume. I've been working on it, the costume, just to kind of like show you guys. I bought some things. I also bought these, a blue one and some fancy ribbon, and I've been making these. You can buy these online for like 10 bucks a pack, 20 bucks a pack. Like you get more the more you pay, but I wanted to hand make them for myself. So these are my earrings. I want to show you guys them. They're like this. I thought they were gonna be really big. I don't know. Now I feel like they're too small. I don't know. I just get like that. Like sometimes I want things to be really big. Sometimes I want them to be really small. And these I wanted small, but I feel like you're not going to be able to see them with my costume. This is a face mask. And then I bought this necklace for my costume. And I know today is Independence Day in Mexico. This is so cute. Like it's a little charm, so you can hook it on any necklace. But this is basically the necklace. It's separate, which is cool. So you can wear them separate. You can put one on your arm. I think I'll probably do that, and then or put them both how they came, which is like this. Like you just hook this on here. Yeah, it works. That's pretty cool. So when you wear them, you wear them doubled like this. That's how they showed them. Next, I have these two boxes. Let me open both of them. Get right into them. This is a jar of relish. Pretty cool. It's just relish. And I doubt there's anything else in here. Nope. Here I have a cake mix. This is spice cake mix. And then I have an aromatherapy lamp. I want to open this. So it has like instructions, I guess. Yeah. It says it has 16 color RGB effect. This is the one that I bought for my mother. It comes with a bunch of pink salts. And this is where you put them in here. And then you plug it in. You just plug it in with this little USB outlet. And next time I film, I'll show you what colors it looks like. Does that sound like Ben? I'm not sure if I should rinse these. There's like all this deposit on the bottom now. But this is natural salt. I don't think you can eat these, but like I have some pink salts that I keep on hand in the kitchen. But that's it. You just push this button and I guess you push it till you get a color you like. Pretty cool, huh? And it's supposed to naturally take out the negative odors in the air. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe at My Sewn Different. Bye-bye.